Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, where beauty, fashion is a passion. Today's little haul is earrings. I went on a shopping spree for earrings on eBay. So let's first start off with this. Now this is one of my favorites. I would say it's number 2 for my favorites. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Turn it around some more. Isn't that just so cute? Can't wait to wear these. Just gotta fix something. I might have to buy me an outfit to go with these. Alright, next we have these here. Man on the Moon and Astronaut. That's what it is. Astronaut. Let's see if we can see that very clearly. Let me see here. Alright, it goes this way. See if that helps. It's a little astronaut. And then I think it's the moon. Let me see if I can get it turned around correctly. Oh, it looks like Saturn. So the man is on the moon and this one is Saturn. Isn't that adorable? I bought my niece some of these, not these exact ones, but 2 astronauts. I guess she liked them. I know her mom did. What these are. Little man's on the moon. Well, that man is on the moon. The other one is Saturn. Okay. So let's go with these here. The hearts. The hearts don't lie. It loves what it loves and it wants what it wants. Isn't that adorable? I think I can see myself wearing this next Valentine. Yeah. I don't even celebrate Valentine, but I can still see myself wearing it next year. Plus, I can wear it probably this winter because I have a sweater that I bought about 2-3 years ago that I've never worn. And it has hearts all over it. So maybe I'll wear that sweater and let's sit together for the fall and winter. But isn't that just so cute? Okay. Now let's go with these, the tortoise shells. I have a pair of shoes that match this, and I have a handbag that matches this. Do you think it'd be overdoing it wearing all 3 at the same time? Probably not. I probably could pull it off. This is how they look, and this is from Simply Be. Now that company is out of business now. It retired, and I got these on sale since they were going out of business. So I cannot even leave a link for you guys to go there and see if you want a pair. But this is how it looks. Yep, I like those. I really do. Now this one I'm on the fence for. I want to color them, and I think you do need to color them. So I didn't get these on eBay. I got these on Ipsy, a woman who handmade these. I want to color them, but I don't think I'm supposed to. But I really want to. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment whether or not you would paint them if you had them. But yeah, this is from a black artist on Ipsy. That's what they look like. Got the hook earring thing. But yeah, this is how they look. I might just give them away. I don't know, maybe one of my nieces or my cousins could use them. I like them though. And these one I know I'm giving away because I don't know what I was thinking when I bought these. I know I was half asleep because I shop when I'm half asleep. I shop, go to restaurants. I do a lot of things when I'm half asleep. Well, I used to when I was half asleep from the ambient, but now they have me on something different. So now I don't so much as get up and sleepwalk as much. I still sleepwalk, but not as much. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought these. Now these are one of my, I had to say my second favorites. Look at that. Now all of these say Bessie Johnson, I don't think these are Bessie Johnsons by any means. They're sold on eBay by Korean peoples or Chinese peoples. So I don't think these are real Bessie Johnsons by any means. And I've been to her site and looked to see. I could not find anything like this. But I like them anyways, and they're reasonable. And that is what it looks like. That is so cute. Alright, let me take you to my favorites. My number one pick. Boom. Right here. The crosses. I think it's a Russian cross, I can't be for sure. But I'm loving this. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. I don't think this film is doing it any justice. Let's bring it back some. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? I love me some crosses. I even had one on my front door. Look at that. And here's the second pair. Isn't it just gorgeous? Alright, so I must have been on a astronaut world kind of kick when I bought these, because I bought the Man in the Moon, the astronaut one, and I bought these here. Let's see if this could do. So I think this is satin also. Yeah, this is satin. I don't know what I was thinking when I was going through buying earrings. And I was sticking to a astronaut type theme, the world solar system. I like them. I'll keep them. Alright. Now like these here. So I would say these come in number 4 place. It's the cross inside of a circle. Now believe it or not, I mean, this one here is broken. But you cannot tell it unless I just told you. So you would think that you just had one short cross and one long cross, and that's how I'm gonna rock it. Like nobody knows until now. And so I can pull this off, most definitely. Pull it off. So I'm not getting rid of these. So I'm gonna keep them. Like I said, I got a thing for crosses. I just love me some cross. Alright, I picked up these here too. The LV earrings. I got these off of eBay. I think for 20 something dollars. I just wanted to try to see if I liked them before I actually buy the real pair. Because I don't want to pay $700 and some change. And I don't like them or how they fit in my ears. So I want to try these out first, see whether or not I like them, have something big in my ears, and then I can buy the real ones. Okay, last but not least, we have these here, these Indian earrings. Look how shiny that is. That is so pretty. Look at that. I just love it. It's simple. I mean, it's not so simple, but it's got engraved details in it. The color is just right. It is so pretty and it shines. Look at that. I'm not trying to blind you, but look how it shines. And here's the second pair to it. These are so nice. Well, anyways, that was my earring haul. So, please do like and subscribe. And also, depends on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, and God bless. Bye.